Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to explore amazing napkin holder designs that will add a touch of elegance and functionality to your dining table. Whether you are hosting a special dinner party or just want an amazing experience at your everyday dining, these napkin holders are sure to impress. From sleek and modern designs to rustic and charming options, we have got something for every style and budget. We will showcase these napkin holders up close so you can see their intricate details, how they are beautifully complementing your dining table setting. So join us as we dive into the world of napkin holder designs, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more home decor inspiration ideas. So let's get started on this journey of beautiful dream home decor ideas. Thank you for watching. Take a very good care of yourself. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.